Dating back to the pre-independence era, JK Botanicals is a 140-year-old legacy founded by Mr. Jairam Das Agrawal. Today, 90-year-old Mr. Haridas Agrawal shares this multigenerational story with the sixth generation, narrating how the business began as a modest storefront in Amritsar. His passion for herbs was passed down through generations. His father, Mr. Khushiram Agrawal, steered the company toward Ayurveda in 1925. Haridas Agrawal further expanded the business globally after taking the reins in 1953. Mr. Sanjeev Agrawal took the helm in 1975, expanding the company's horizons with new branches in Mumbai and establishing the first production facility in 1995. In 2003, Mr. Sonal and Ankit Agrawal joined, bringing profound market understanding and keen business acumen. The BRCGS FSMA certified manufacturing unit in Navi Mumbai offers an extensive range of high-quality products, including whole herbs, steam-treated botanical powders, teakats, and seasonings, ensuring adherence to the highest industry standards. In 2014, the GMP and FSSC 22000 certified extraction unit was established in Pithimpur, Indore. Processing 3,000 metric tons of raw herbs annually. The unit specializes in soft, all-soluble, ethanol, and dry extracts, adhering to Class 1 lakh clean room standards. With an in-house microbiology R&D lab. Equipped with advanced instruments, the unit reflects their dedication to excellence. JK Botanical products are certified for kosher, halal, FSSAI, India, USDA, and EU organic, showcasing their commitment to quality. In 2023, JK Botanicals began offering clinically proven ingredients, including CV, a standardized extract of passion flower. A milestone study demonstrated that CV improved sleep quality and lowered stress levels. With over a century of experience, JK Botanicals has mastered the art of sourcing the perfect herb from the right region. They go the extra mile to ensure customers receive ingredients of the best quality every time. Over the years, JK Botanicals has earned the trust of customers in over 40 countries. With a dedicated team of over 350 employees, they offer a diverse selection of more than 300 herbs, establishing themselves as the largest certified pure herbs manufacturer in India. At JK Botanicals, they care for you and everyone involved with them. From packing the finest quality herbs for your consumption to providing employment opportunities to farmers at every stage of production. They are not just a company, but a family, embarked on a 140 years journey toward providing wholesome sustainability for the collective improvement of living naturally.